Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video and tutorial. I hope you're doing great. Today I'm coming back to share with you how to make this French bonnet. It's not a bandana, it's a bonnet. It's worn and tightened in front, but you can wear it also as a bandana. It's as you wish. But it is inspired from a knitted project I have seen online, and it is similar to the classic French bonnet. So this bonnet starts with the strap, then you start constructing the sides as a triangle. You expand it to as large as you want, then you go straight with a number of single crochet rows, and then you make a decrease into a triangle again, and you finish off with the second strap over here. So if you before that, then it's optional. You can make a slip stitch around to finish off the project. So I'm going to show you all the steps in this tutorial. So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5.5mm crochet hook. I'll start with a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 30. In the second chain from the hook, I'm going to make a slip stitch. I'm going to slip stitch in every chain. Okay, so I'm gonna chain one from this point, and inside the chain again I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. I'm gonna chain 1 and turn. Gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the second stitch. I will chain 1 and turn. I will repeat 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following 2 stitches. So the same as when you work a triangle, you do an increase at the beginning of each row. You chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the following stitches, and you repeat for a total of 20 rows. You can do up to 25 as well if you want it bigger and larger. So the green one I did 20 rows. I'll do 25 for this, and I'll show you the differences later on. No more increases. I'm gonna make chain 1 first and 1 single crochet in every stitch for the next 25 rows. So just a single crochet in every stitch for the next 25 rows. So as I said, here I'm making the 25, and here I have made 20. At the end I will measure both and share with you the differences. So the next step after 25 rows is gonna be the decrease for the bonnet or beanie, French beanie. Here I have finished 25 rows of single crochet, and now we're gonna proceed with the decrease to close off the beanie. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chain one, and this row will be a repetition for 25 more rows till you get only one stitch left. So what I'm gonna do, insert the hook into the first stitch, pull through, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull through all. That's single crochet decrease, and then continue with one single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. And that's the row I'm gonna repeat for, like I said, 25 more rows. And I'll show you another decrease. So insert the hook in the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull through all. So here I have one last stitch left. So I'm gonna chain one, make the last decrease, and now what I'm gonna do, again like I did for the first trap, I'm gonna chain 30 and then slip stitch back, and we'll go to the final step afterwards. This is the last slip stitch. So now what's left to do, I'm gonna slip stitch all around the beanie, the French beanie. So I'm gonna go first slip stitch over here and pass it through here and finish slip stitching. So in every chain one space. The slip stitch will give a neater look to the edges. And here what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna slip stitch in this stitch and turn, and continue. And the last stitch, and we'll fasten off. And that's it. The bonnet or winter bandana is complete. And this is how it is. This is the smaller one. So this I did 20 rows, 20 triangle, 20 straight line, and then 20 the decrease. And this is with 25, it's bigger. Depending on how big or small you want it, you adjust accordingly. So, but this is the style of it. I hope you liked the tutorial and found it easy to follow. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Bye.